Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the notes of Karnataka State Syllabus Class 8 English Chapter 2 Sir C.V. Raman. First main, answer the following questions and share your response with your partner. Who were Raman's parents? Answer, Raman's parents were Chandrasekhar Iyer and Parvati Ammal. Question 2. Why was Raman not able to attend school regularly? Answer. Raman was not able to attend the school regularly because he was often ill and sick. Question 3. Where did he complete his intermediate examination? Answer. He did his intermediate examination from Hindu College at Vishakhapatnam. What subjects did his relatives advise him to take BA? Answer. His relatives advised him to take history and economics for BA and also social, that to give up science. Why would not Raman go to the United Kingdom for higher studies? Answer. Raman's health broke down and hence he could not go to the United Kingdom for higher studies. Answer the following questions and share your responses with your partner. How long did he work at Calcutta University? Answer. Raman worked for 15 years as professor at Calcutta University. What made Raman give up the highly paid post of Special Accountant General? Answer. Raman was offered the post of professor at Calcutta University, so he resigned the highly paid post of Special Accountant General and became a professor. How did the Soviet Union honor him? Answer. The Soviet Union in the year 1957 honored Raman with the prestigious International Lenin Prize. Read and write. Read the following questions. Before writing the answers, discuss your responses or ideas with others in the group. What makes you think that Raman, even as boy, had great interest in science? Answer. Raman was very much interested in science from his childhood days. He had made the model of dynamo at his young age. During his school days, he borrowed science books from college students and read them. All these incidents make us to think that Raman, even as a boy, had great interest in science. What did Raman's relative ask Raman to take up art subject? How did the Raman react to it? Answer. When he joined Presidency College, Madras for his BA, his relatives wanted him to give up science and take history and economics art subject. But Raman had made up his mind to study science, so he took physics and secured first rank with number of prizes. After his MA, again his relatives asked him to take up same art subjects in competitive examination in Calcutta. Raman agreed and took the same. He did well with new subjects and got first place in the competitive examination. Next question. What was Raman's first disappointment in life? Answer. Raman wanted to go to the United Kingdom for higher studies in science after his MA. At that time, again his health broke down and he could not go. This was the first and greatest disappointment in life. Why was Raman not happy with the post of Deputy Assistant General? Answer. Raman wanted to become a scientist. That was his life's ambition. But circumstances forced him to become Deputy Accountant General. His love for science was so intense that he felt like a fish out of water. Unwillingly, he was doing his job. He was waiting for an opportunity to leave the job and become a scientist. Next question. How can you say that Raman had not lost interest in science when he was the Deputy Accountant General? Answer. After becoming Deputy Accountant General, he had contact with scientists and he took interest in science. One day when he saw the banner of science, he got off from the moving train and went to meet the scientists who had gathered in that building. When he was in Rangoon, he heard that an institution had brought a piece of modern scientific apparatus. He hurriedly went to have a look at it. By these two incidents, we can say that he had not lost interest in science. Vocabulary. Fill in the blanks with the words opposite in the meaning of the underlined word. We should neither borrow nor lend. Why do you feel old? Feel young. Don't stand outside, come inside. Are wealthy people really happy or sad? Eat less but work more. The pronunciation of the following pairs of words are almost same, but they differ in meanings. Use each words in the pair in meaningful sentences. First, the compound wall is not easy to break. B-R-E-A-K, break. Yesterday my car brake, B-R-A-K-E, were repaired. Ramu knew many languages, K-N-E-W, knew many languages. Today I bought a new house, N-E-W, new house. Our eyesight, S-I-G-H-T, sight, must be clear. This sight, S-I-T-E, sight, is very big. SOM is some apples are sweet. This sum is easy to do. SUM, sum. Shakespeare's plays, 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 are very interesting. Which place, PLASE, place, is nice to see. Next, fill in the blanks with suitable phrasal verbs or idioms, choosing from the ones given in the bracket. We usually put on cotton clothes during the summer. One day a villager came to me and asked me to read a letter. I tried my best but could not make out what the person has written. Great people or persons have an oceans of patience. They have learned to put up with difficulties. Raju's health used to break down now and then, so he had to give up the highly paid post of accountant in an office. People should make up their mind to fight against corruption. Make compound words with the words given in the column A and column B. Use the same in the meaningful sentences of your own. So here are the columns and here are the answers for that. Which words or phrase in the text mean more or less the same as the following paragraph? Numbers are given in the bracket. Boyhood in paragraph 1, early days. Uncomfortable in paragraph 3, fish out of water. Chance in paragraph 3, opportunity. Happily in paragraph 5, gladly. Not remember in paragraph 6, forget. Morning food in paragraph 6, breakfast. Money permitted to be drawn for the expense, paragraph 7, exchange the burnt notes from new. Sympathy, admitted. Give the negative forms of the underlined words using a prefix like in, un, dis, im. Example, a popular poem, an unpopular poem. An interesting story, an uninteresting story. A fortunate thing, an unfortunate thing. A correct answer, an incorrect answer. A pure heart, an impure heart. A happy days, an unhappy days. An honest person, a dishonest person. Fill in the blanks with the noun forms of the underlined words. The teacher dictates notes. The teacher gave us a dictation. Admit Suresh to 8th standard. Let Suresh get admitted to 8th standard. Literate should educate the villagers. Literates should give education to the villagers. Appoint him, give him an appointment. Have you decided where to go? Have you taken the decision where to go? Fill in the blanks with appropriate form of words given in the bracket. Please give your acceptance within a week. The speaker accepted the resignation of the legislature. We should not have too much attachment to anything. The discovery of the sea route of India was made by Vasco da Gama. The teacher admired the honesty of Manjula. Have a scientific outlook. Please don't cause inconvenience to travel. Make meaningful sentences. Why you are afraid of examination. Chemistry is an interesting subject. Listen and speak. Vowels E and AE. Vowels E, bet, set, met, pen, set. Vowels A, bad, sad, sat, mat, pan. Your teacher will say and write the following words. Identify the vowel sound in them and write them in the appropriate column. In I column, flee, sleep, spend, mean, dream, please, see, free. In L, spin, trim, hid, split, mint, click. In A, catch, fan, span, mat, scratch. In E, drench, tense, left, sent, fresh, den, sketch. Spoken English, situation 2. Two friends, Raj and Latif, meet by chance. Fill in the blanks. Raj: oh, what a surprise. You are Latif, aren't you? Latif: yes, I am. But how come you are here? Raj, Latif, I have come on some official work here. Latif, you're a businessman. You have set up a shop here, haven't you? Raj, yes, I have. Well, let's have coffee, shall we? Latif, by all means, after that we can talk a lot, can't we? Read the map and the information is given carefully. Based on them, say whether the following statements are true or false. Write T for true and F for false in the boxes accordingly. Tamilians are over 50% in the northmost part of Sri Lanka. True. In Bettikolio, the Tamilians are less than 50%. False. The east coast of Sri Lanka has more Tamilians than its west coast. True. More than 50% of people in Colombo are Tamilians. False. Only Sinhalese live in Jaffna. False. The central part of Sri Lanka is dense with Tamilians. False. Kandy does not have any sea coast. True. Grammar. Use walk or walks in sentences beginning with the following subjects. My father walks in the evening. You are walking slow. John walks with his dog. Children are lazy to walk. Your sister is punctual to walk. 20 boys are participating in the competition of brisk walk. His brother walks with his friends. Task 2. Match the words using the appropriate form of verbs. Frame sentences. One example is given. A ship sails on the water. The doctor treats the patient. A dog chases a cat. Birds fly in the sky. Vendor sells things on the streets. Children like sweets. A carpenter makes tools from wood. Water flows downwards. Our school beginning at 9 o'clock in the morning. The goalkeeper stops the ball. The present continuous tense or the present progressive form. Look at these pictures, write what they are doing. According to the pictures, a mother is lighting the lamp, a farmer is carrying a bundle, a girl is eating fruit, a student is reading a book, a boy is running in the field. Next, writing part, framing sentences. Frame appropriate phrases with the words from the table given below. Also built by a context sentences using a phrase. Example phrase, slave to move. Context, Pradeep is a slave to money. He has become inhuman. Phrase, faith in science. Ravi has faith in science, so he believed to conduct experiments in science. Phrase, sympathy for the poor. If we show sympathy for the poor, then we'll help to build harmony in society. Phrase, interesting in dancing. Girls are interested to learn dancing. They are able to give nice programs. Phrase, passion for science. Scientists have passion for science so they can work hard in research centers. Rearrange the words in meaningful sentences. I learn a little from every incident. The bigger of the two was the sturdy youngster. They wore no shoes and their feet were muddy. Mahatma Gandhi adopted non-violence as his weapon. I thought on the subject deeply that evening. So this is all about your lesson, Sir C.V. Raman. As I have told you, if you want the notes of other lessons or other subjects, kindly check the playlist of my channel. Thanks for watching.